all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know we're back in the alternate filming room, and please forgive the mess. Really haven't made a bed, really haven't tried to do anything different. I know I haven't filmed a beard product review in a while, but we're going to change that today. We really, truly are. Well, as you know by seeing that title, that thumbnail, and everything else, Chesapeake Beard and Grooming, the beast from the East, is back on the channel. And I know we're really late getting this one out. We're going to take a look at the #2 in their summer series, Quenched. Now, I will say, I am filming this on August 12th, 2020. I went looking on their website today. I didn't see it there, so maybe the supplies are gone. I know that Gary said they're going to be there as long as supplies last. So if it's truly gone, guys, I'm really, really sorry for getting this out so late, but I had to do it. Alright, if you're unfamiliar with Chesapeake Beard Company, hang on. You're going to get a real quick education. For those of you who are very familiar with Gary and the awesomeness that he has, skip ahead about a minute and a half. I think that'll get through all this little stuff I'm about to do. You can find Chesapeake at www.chesapeakebeard.com. Don't worry, I'll leave it right down below in the description box. They are very proudly made in the USA out of Indian Head, Maryland. They are 100% veteran-owned. Gary is former United States Marine Corps. So if you're like me and you want to shop with a vet, that's where you want to go. Now, I love the fact that they have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with the product, they're going to do everything they can do to make you happy. I mean, let's get within reason here. You're not going to go through his whole product line when you buy one and try to get everything for free. We all know that ain't going to happen, you know? And of course, I start filming and things start going crazy, but oh well. All right. Chesapeake was basically founded with one huge principle in mind. They wanted to provide the best products and services imaginable on the planet. They have no hype, they have no BS, they have no gimmicks. They are straightforward, here is great product, and they let their product really speak for themselves. Obviously, it really works in my beard, really works great for me because, as you guys know, by taking a look right up top, you're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. Chesapeake pretty much dominates that playlist. No shock, the camera took a dump. But as I was saying, each product is based off of a ton of research. Gary just doesn't throw things together and pray to God it works. He does a lot of research to make sure element A is going to work with element B, mixes with C to Z, everything else. Now, this is what I really truly love about Chesapeake. They make everything themselves. Well, everything they're legally allowed to make. Their washes and co-washes, per, I think it's the FDA rules, they're not allowed to make in-house, so they have to go to a lab with those. They don't use a co-packer. Gary makes everything. You doubt me? Flip on Instagram every so often. Go over to Chesapeake. Sometimes you'll see him out there working in the shop, making product live. Okay, now we're going to get into the fun stuff, all right? This set, when it was live, I believe it was like $35 for the set. So that's not bad when you're getting a 2.5 ounce of Vitality and a 1 ounce of oil. Guys, Vitality is just, it's a game changer, but we'll get to that in a moment. The scent profile on the second one is like a watermelon lemonade, and man, it's crisp, it's clean, and it is beautiful. It really truly feels good in the beard. You know, it made my beard feel really soft, really, you know, manageable. Didn't get like a lot of tangles and everything else. It's just a good beard day when I was using this. The scent strength on it, I'm going to go kind of like a mild. Seriously, you can smell the watermelon for about 4 hours. I didn't pick up a lot on the lemonade, but I knew it was there. And after about 4 hours or so, I just couldn't get it in the beard anymore. But it's okay. The beard still felt great, still felt wonderful. Now, I'm going to give you a little bit of breakdown on these, and we'll get into how to use them and all that fun stuff. Now, the ingredients on the oil are Chesapeake's usual stuff now, his current blend of jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, emu oil, squalene oil, shea nut oil, and essential fragrance blends. And there's all the fun stuff on the back. Okay? Now, for the Vitality, the ingredients in there are jojoba oil, argan butter, KUKUI butter, shea nut oil, and essential fragrance blends. All the fun stuff there on the back. Okay. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Vitality, it's kind of okay. It's kind of Chesapeake's mutant hybrid butter. You know, it's whipped. It's very nourishing for your beard. It really helps heal your beard. It really helps repair damage that you do. Say, like, if you have a full weekend of drinking and not proper beard care, you're going to want to be using. It's like my camera's trying to tell me something today. It keeps glitching on me. But like I said, I haven't used as much of this as I should. To use this one, and I'll get to the oil in a moment, it's really, really simple, guys. It's like every other butter you ever have out there, all right? Hold on. Hopefully, really creamy, really straightforward right out. And breaking it down is just like every other bit of butter out there, guys. It really, truly is. You just get it right in your hand, and look. It goes pretty much instantly, all right? And no, I'm not going to put it in my beard because I'm currently testing something else in there right now, and I don't want to really screw up those scent profiles. But basically, rub it in your hands, get it, broken down, get it in that liquid stage, work it in your beard all the way down, and groom it out. It's going to get in there, and it's going to really restore your beard. It's going to have a great feeling in your beard, and man, your beard is going to love you for it. Trust me, it is. Okay. Now with the beard oil, if you've never used it, it's okay. It's got 3 really, really good properties, and I'll show you how to use it. Number 1 is it's really going to get in there and give a vitamin supplement for your beard. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to help grow your beard long, luscious, beautiful, no split ends. And sometimes it needs help. Sometimes it needs a little assistance. Think of it this way, okay? Seeing how a lot of us still are in quarantine and we can't go out and everything's getting back in lockdown because of COVID, take like 48 hours. Just don't shower, all right? Yeah, I know. Get over the stink, get over everything else. Your head hair is going to become really greasy, really nasty. Your beard hair is going to dry out and become brittle, just bird's nasty, and make you want to rip it out. Your body needs those oils to get in there and keep that hair growing beautifully. So that's one great use of beard oil. The second great use of beard oil, as I touched on it a little bit ago, it's going to really help soften up your beard. All right, you really don't want your better half getting close to you and getting that cactusy feeling, and you get that. No, you want them coming in nice and close and being like, yeah. And the third great use of beard oil is that scent profile. Man, when you find one that works on you and it gets in there and it lasts, it gives you that great psychological boost, that psychological edge, all that fun stuff. All right, so that's 3 great uses. Now, how to apply it? Well, it's kind of like the beard butter, okay? But what you want to do with every bit of your beard oil before you apply it is just shake the crap out of it. Shake it like a paint can, Shake it like your brother-in-law who owes you $1,000 from that Super Bowl bet that he never paid up on. All right, once you get that done. Now, with this one, it has the eyedropper top in there. Well, not the eyedropper, excuse me, the restrictor top. I'm so used to saying eyedropper, guys, I don't even know why I did that. All right. So it's got the little restrictor top in there. What you're going to need to do is turn the bottle over and dispense whatever amount you need right into your hand. Now, I usually use about the size of a quarter, but this is what I tell everyone. Put the amount you think you need in your hand and then apply it. Half an hour after, just do this, okay? Real lightly, go across your beard. If you come up with an oil slick, you put way too much oil in your beard. So you put whatever amount you need in your hand, rub your hands together, really warm it up, activate that scent profile. Guys, seriously, when you do that, you get that, oh, yeah, sometimes it's really, really good. Work it into your beard all the way down to your skin. Okay, it's really important to get it down to your skin and groom your beard out. It's that simple. Now, I'm going to throw one little bit of extra here at you, all right? I know that the summer series, you really can't use my affiliate code on, but I'm going to leave my affiliate code right here. It's going to be Chris10. Use that at ChesapeakeBeard.com, and you're going to save yourself 10% off your purchases. Okay, but where it's applicable. Sometimes I forget when and where I can use somebody else's code. If you can't use it on something, trust me, Chesapeake's going to let you know. No, it's not there. But like I said, it's an affiliate code, so yes, the channel will get a small kickback, and it will help bring great products to the channel, and it will save you money. So, use it, don't use it, it's up to you. It's okay. I had to share that with you guys. Now, here's the fun part of the video for me. Okay, I know, kind of broke these things down, kind of moving through it quick because I've seen by my analytics you guys like quicker videos. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below. Have you guys used the summer series yet? What are your successes with it? What are your failures with it? What are your feelings on it? I'll be honest with you, I thought it was kind of revolutionary to have a lemonade-based beard oil, beard care products. And it's cool that this is the second one, and I'm about to film the review on the third one just as well. All right, guys. So we're going to do the usual wrap-up here. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Man, I know you got a lot of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing this one right here. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel who have yet to subscribe, why don't you tell me why right down below? Let me know what I can do to earn your subscription, and who knows, maybe we can implement that in a future video. Now, after you guys have done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there in that corner. You can see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and clicked on that and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to be able to notify you, well, you're going to be able to notify yourself every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. I know, right? That's part of why we're here on YouTube. Now, speaking of those great videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the Chesapeake Beard Grooming Quenched Summer Series scent. That's for the thumbnail. Woohoo! Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope all of you are having a safe day, a fun day, and just being incredible.